Have you ever wondered how your phone can recognize your face? How Alexa understands your voice? How self-driving cars can see the road? Or how AI can create amazing art? All of this is possible because of something called deep learning. Today, we're going to understand deep learning in very simple language.
What is deep learning?
Deep learning is a special type of neural network. Remember earlier we talked about neural networks having layers. Input layer, hidden layers, output layer. The word deep does not mean deep like the ocean. It means deep equals many layers. So, neural network, few layers. Deep learning, many layer. As more layers equals the AI can learn more complex patterns.
Simple analogy.
Imagine you are trying to recognize a face. Your brain does this in steps. First, you see edges, then shapes, then eyes, then nose, then mouth, then the full face. Then you recognize the person. Deep learning works the same way, layer by layer. Each layer learns something more complicated.
Why deep learning is so powerful?
Deep learning is very good at working with images, speech, video, language, complex patterns. Let's look at real-world examples. Images, face recognition. When you upload a photo to social media and it suggests tagging your friend, that's deep learning. The AI does not see a face like humans. Instead, it learns patterns like edges, shapes, eye distance, face structure. After seeing millions of faces, it becomes very good at recognizing people. This is called image recognition. Speech, voice assistants. When you say, "Hey Siri, Alexa, okay Google," how does the computer understand your voice? Your voice is actually a sound wave. Deep learning converts sound, patterns, words, meaning. It learns from millions of voice recordings and becomes very good at understanding speech. This is called speech recognition. Self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are one of the most advanced uses of deep learning. A self-driving car must recognize traffic lights, recognize stop signs, recognize pedestrians, recognize other cars, stay in the lane, avoid accidents. The car uses cameras, sensors, deep learning models. The AI is constantly predicting what is in front, what will happen next, should I stop or turn? This is deep learning making real-time decisions. AI art. Have you seen AI generate pictures from text like an astronaut riding a horse on Mars? That's deep learning too. The AI was trained on millions of images and learned patterns like what a horse looks like, what an astronaut looks like, what Mars looks like, what painting styles look like. Then it combines those patterns to create new images. That's why it's called AI-generated art.
So here's the big idea.
Deep learning equals neural networks with many layers that can learn very complex patterns. And that's why deep learning is used in face recognition, voice assistants, self-driving cars, ChatGPT, Google Translate, AI art, medical image detection, recommendation systems like Netflix, YouTube, Amazon. Deep learning is one of the most important technologies in modern AI. Let's summarize everything. Deep learning is a type of neural network. It has many hidden layers. More layers equals can learn more complex patterns. It is very good at images, speech, and language. It powers many modern AI applications. So when you hear the words AI, neural networks, and deep learning, they are all connected. Deep learning is the technology that allows computers to
see, hear,
understand, create, and make decisions. And that is why deep learning is changing the world. Thanks for watching. Hope AI feels a lot simpler now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech explanations.